Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get and use the universal ingredient in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. To unlock the universal ingredient, you need to have level 4 in your cooking hobby. And wait, let me show you my level. Okay, right now I'm level 4, so I can purchase the universal ingredient in Masimo's cooking store. So we can visit Masimo and go to the cooking store. Then we're going to scroll down and we'll find the universal ingredient. Okay, and basically it can substitute any ingredient in cooking recipes. And I've already purchased these ingredients and I'm going to cook with this ingredient. And I also have a quest or mission. I need to successfully cook any food using the universal ingredient. Okay, we're going to replace the ingredient with the universal ingredient. I'm going to replace the milk like this, and then I'm going to click on start cooking. Okay, and done guys for my quest. I've already finished the quest. Okay, now I'm waiting for the cooking process. Okay, almost done. Oops. Alright, and I got iced cup latte even though I replaced the ingredient. Thank you guys, and that's how we can get and use the universal ingredient in the Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!